Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are watching the last part of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. If you are as excited as me to know how this story will end, then stay with me because we are watching it.
Hola.
Oh,
Cervezas?
a prank again? Cervezas. No, leave him alone.
What the hell, guys?
Did not work. Oh my god. Oh shit. He's gonna punch him. Oh. I mean, it was supposed to happen. It was meant to happen. This was predestined also. I knew this would happen in some point.
Yep.
They keep pranking
हाँ यार, उसका भी
people.
हम
What
shock।
do they
अरे
expect?
जब उसे मालूम था कि हम जेल जाने वाले हैं तो फोन तो ऑन रखती।
Are you?
अगर किसी ने हमारे बेल नहीं दिया ना तो फिर ये केस कोर्ट में जाने तक हम यहीं सड़ते रहेंगे।
This is part of the trip also.
अर्जुन उसको बोल मुझे कॉल करना है।
किसे फोन कर?
सलमान हबीब।
The artist?
या
अच्छा वो हमारे बेल क्यों देने आएगा?
Just tell them the
ठीक तो है?
truth.
किसी इसको फोन तुम्हारे सब पागल हो
ही इज माय फादर।
Just tell them.
हाँ?
मैं उसका बेटा।
A moment of truth. The truth has been revealed.
हेलो हेलो मैं स्पीक विद मिस्टर सलमान हबीब प्लीज।
Yes.
Is it him?
सर मेरा नाम
I think
इमरान
it's
है।
him.
मैं राहिला का बेटा हूँ।
कब पता चला?
अब्बू के मरने के कुछ दिन बाद उनके सामान में एक चिट्ठी मिली मुझे जो अम्मी ने उन्हें लिखी थी, ये बताने के लिए कि वो बेहद शुक्रगुजार हैं कि अब्बू ने उन्हें और उनकी होने वाले औलाद को अपनाया।
मैं पहले क्यों नहीं बताया?
हिल गया था यार। मैं क्या बताता, अब्बू
It
ज़रूर
was too much.
वो तुझसे बहुत प्यार करते थे इमरान। He really loved you.
Of course.
And us. I mean think about it. स्पोर्ट्स डे हो या पेरेंट्स डे हो, हमारे फादर आए या ना आए, अब्बू हमेशा आते थे।
और मेरे फादर तो पहले ही मर चुके थे।
Oh, he was a good father.
तो वो अगर स्पोर्ट्स डे पर आते तो काफी स्ट्रेंज होता।
Estáis libres. Están aquí.
Free. That's the father. That's your father.
हाय
Same curly hair.
इमरान।
Imran. I'm Salman.
Emotional moment.
ये मेरे दोस्त हैं अर्जुन और कबीर।
Hello.
Thank you.
हाय, थैंक यू।
काफी हंगओवर लग रहे हैं आप भी। चाहो तो मेरे घर आ जाओ, फ्रेशन अप।
हमारे बैग्स और गाड़ी तेरा द होटल।
I'll drive you there. Come on.
Oh. Everything seems to go fine.
Wow, this is beautiful. It's really nice.
आप हमेशा इतनी तमीज से पेश आते हैं। It's absolute rubbish. कोई भी बना सकता है इस तरह की पेंटिंग। हमारे पास में एक
Really?
साहब रहते हैं, उन पर अपनी
good.
बीवी की पोर्ट्रेट बनाने का भूत सवार था। तो मैंने अपने ब्रश से उनकी तमन्ना पूरी कर दी और उनके पैसों से अपने बिल भर ली। तो आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं सेविया में?
स्काई डाइविंग।
Really?
या
यानी प्लेन से कूद के सीधे जेल में पहुंचे उस दिन?
कुछ ऐसे ही।
बट उसके अलावा काम क्या करते हैं?
Well, I'm a financial broker in London.
मनी मैन। एंड यू?
मेरी फैमिली का कंस्ट्रक्शन बिजनेस है।
ओह, कोई बात नहीं।
First
बड़े
time
तुम्हारे
meeting
अच्छे हो
your
जाएंगे।
father and you are in jail. That's like a horrible impression, you guys.
और आप
मैं लिखता हूँ,
क्या?
एडवर्टाइजिंग में कॉपीराइटर।
एडवर्टाइजिंग में तो जो लिखते हैं वो दूसरों के लिए। जैसे ये पेंटिंग मैंने बनाई है दूसरे के लिए। अपने लिए भी कुछ लिखते हो?
हाँ लिखता हूँ।
Poetry.
सर
It's not just diamond cookie, diamond cookie.
हम बाहर वेट करते हैं।
Oh yeah. Give them a time alone. Oh.
तुम्हारे हाथ बिल्कुल मेरे जैसे हैं। बोलो।
Hands.
आप अकेले रहते हैं?
नहीं, वाइफ है बट शी इज अवे, पेरिस गई हुई।
और आपके
बच्चे?
He is only
इंडिया आते
son.
हैं कभी?
हाँ, 4 साल पहले गया था जब मेरी वालदा का इंतकाल हुआ था।
सॉरी।
एक भाई भी है मेरे वहां, पर वी डोंट मीट। तुम्हारे बारे में कई दफा सोचा मैंने कि कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं शायद तुमसे मुलाकात होगी, पर ये नहीं समझ पाया कभी भी कि जब तुमसे मिलूंगा तो कहूंगा क्या।
सच कही।
सच होता क्या है? हर एक का अपना अपना वर्जन होता है सच का। लुक, मैं 25 साल का था। राहिला शायद मुझसे 1-2 साल छोटी थी। उस उम्र में किसको ख्याल आता है कल का? We were just kids. एक दिन पता चला, राहिला ने मुझे बताया कि शी इज एक्सपेक्टिंग अ बेबी। मैं उस जिम्मेदारी के लिए तैयार नहीं था, अब भी नहीं हूं।
तो बस सब
That's very
छोड़कर
sad.
चले।
हाँ, एक नजरिए से देखा जाए तो
He did. He's honest.
राहिला घर बसाना चाहती थी, माँ बनना चाहती थी। मेरे ख्वाब अलग थे, मुझे आर्टिस्ट बनना था।
He wanted to be an
paint, I
artist.
wanted to travel the world.
That was more
I
important
loved
for
her,
him.
लेकिन मैंने अपना फैसला किया और उसने
That was his priority.
That's all.
Oh,
मुझे
that
आपके बारे में
broke his
पिछले साल
heart.
पता चला, लेकिन आप इतने बरसों से जानते थे कि मैं हूं, कि आपने कभी मुझसे मिलने नहीं चाहा।
Ah,
मैंने सोचा यही बेहतर है। तुमने ही कहा था ना तुम सच सुनना चाहते हो। यही सच है।
ओके।
I'm sorry, Imran.
the hard truth.
No, you're not. कुछ कर
He
सकता
cannot
हूँ
understand.
सॉरी तब कहिएगा जो प्यास निकले प्लीज।
Oh boy. That was so heartbreaking.
जब जब दर्द का बादल छाया, जब गम का साया लहराया, जब आंसू पलकों तक आया, जब ये तन्हा दिल घबराया, हमने दिल को ये समझाया, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है, दुनिया में यूं ही होता है। ये जो गहरे सन्नाटे हैं, वक्त ने सबको ही बांटे हैं। थोड़ा गम है सबका किस्सा, थोड़ी धूप है सबका हिस्सा। आग तेरी बेकार ही नम है, हर पल एक नया मौसम है। क्यों तू ऐसे पल खोता है, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है।
मॉर्निंग। सोए तो क्यों नहीं?
नहीं,
He's in distress.
निकलना चाहिए। चले?
अर्जुन, I'm really sorry.
Now he is sorry. He said to his father, apologize when it comes from the heart, and now he really feels sorry. Now they're in peace.
See you at the car.
What do you mean तुम गाड़ी में सोए थे?
लंबी कहानी है बेब।
Tell me क्या हुआ?
नहीं वो इमरान का कुछ। I'll tell you later, okay?
अरे tell me now what happened?
इस वक्त नहीं बता सकता हूँ मैं नताशा, जब मिलूंगा तब बताऊंगा ना।
तुम irritate क्यों हो रहे हो?
तुम बार बार वही सवाल क्यों पूछ रही हो?
Okay, forget it. See? It's our wedding card. Can you see it? Gorgeous, na? I'm just so happy with it. और हाँ, मैंने तुम्हें कुछ सूट ऑप्शंस ईमेल किया। प्लीज उनमें से एक सिलेक्ट कर लो, ओके?
He is not excited about it. He is going to cancel this.
You love me, right?
Yeah.
Then stop fighting with me. You know, इस holiday से पहले सब ठीक था हमारे बीच। कबीर, just come home.
He's not happy at all.
तुम्हारी family, तुम्हारे दोस्त हैं।
मेरे दोस्त मेरे साथ हैं।
Yeah, I know, but you know what I mean.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
अच्छा है ना?
हाँ. Tanya.
नहीं बेटे।
I'm sorry, I'm so happy. Kabir just proposed to Natasha.
What?
Oh my God!
अरे अपनी माँ की सेलिब्रेशन तो होने देते।
Kabir, this is the best birthday gift ever. I love you, son.
शिफा रुस्तम, चलो जी डबल सेलिब्रेशन हो गई है।
I'm so happy.
Now you have to call me mama. Get some champagne. Kabir, come here. Very good decision. I'm so happy.
ये अंदर क्या हुआ?
What do you mean?
I mean, ये रिंग मेरी मॉम के लिए लाया था। उनके लिए बर्थडे
Oh
गिफ्ट।
shit.
This is for your mom?
Look at
Oh
it.
no.
It's a mummy ring.
What? तुमने वहाँ कुछ कहा क्यों नहीं?
मैंने कोशिश की, मगर फिर तुम दोनों इतने एक्साइटेड हो गए, चिल्लाने लग गए और टाने ने तो अनाउंसमेंट भी कर दी।
तो तुम मुझसे शादी नहीं करना चाहते?
ये तुम्हारे बारे में
This
नहीं
is
है।
so
मैंने शादी के बारे में
embarrassing.
सोचा भी नहीं है।
Oh my
मैं पापा
god.
से क्या कहूँगी?
No, no, no. Oh.
कह देंगे कि हम दोनों ने थोड़ा और सोचा है और
Oh no.
हमें थोड़ा और वक्त चाहिए। That's all.
This is so embarrassing.
I'm so sorry, sweetie.
It is embarrassing.
मुझसे शादी
Oh
ही
my
नहीं करनी।
god.
ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है।
है तो प्लीज अभी बता दो मुझे। I really love you, कबीर, और मैं नहीं चाहती कि तुम
No, 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 sweetie, don't cry.
Not now. कबीर, तुम इस रिलेशनशिप के बारे में सीरियस हो या नहीं?
You know what? Will you marry me?
So that's what happened. That's what we saw in the beginning. That's how it went down. He was not even trying to propose. That was a ring for the mother. And everyone was like, oh my god, he proposed. And he was like, did I? Did I? Hugging everyone like,
Who's it?
okay.
Look, I'm sorry, मुझे गुस्सा आ गया, okay?
Everything's wrong.
क्योंकि मैंने कहा कि तुझको शादी से प्रॉब्लम है।
I guess I'm just freaking out, you know, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है।
थोड़ा बहुत नर्वस होना नॉर्मल है, पर ऐसा नहीं है कि नताशा और तेरी कोई अरेंज मैरिज हो रही है।
हाँ, मगर ये वो नहीं है जिसे मैं मिला था। She's changed, she's become possessive. जब मैं उसे मिला था वो एक talented independent interior designer थी, you know, उसको अपने काम से खुशी मिलती थी, और अब अपने काम को टाटा चीरियो बाय बाय कहकर उसने अपनी जिंदगी मेरी जिंदगी बना दी है। हाँ, मुझे एक साथी जरूर चाहिए, लेकिन I want my own life too यार। ये दो जिस्म एक जान, ये मेंटालिटी I won't be able to handle it।
I told you this is not
यार, एक बात
working.
पूछूं?
हाँ,
तूने ये शादी कुछ ज्यादा जल्दी प्रपोज तो नहीं कर दी?
एक्चुअली मैंने प्रपोज भी नहीं किया था।
What?
क्या?
मॉम के बर्थडे पर मैं उनके लिए एक रिंग लेके आया था। वो रिंग देने से पहले मैंने नताशा को दिखाई थी और उसको लगा कि उसके लिए है।
Are you crazy?
क्या कर रहा है यार?
What's wrong with him?
What's wrong with him?
तो इसलिए ये वेकेशन तेरे लिए इतना इम्पोर्टेंट?
I got started.
मतलब
बेसिकली तुझे किसी और से सुनना था कि तुझे शादी नहीं करनी चाहिए, और हम दोनों के अलावा ये तुझसे और कौन कहता?
Have you totally lost it? Invitation कार्ड छप चुके हैं। This is not a time to overreact.
कबीर, हम जानते हैं कि
still has
नताशा इज अ
time.
ग्रेट गर्ल, और ये भी पता है कि तू उसे चाहता है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू डोंट वांट टू हर्ट हर, बट पूछ अपने आप से क्या तुझे 100% ये शादी करनी है? और अगर नहीं, देन बी ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ एंड टू हर। ऑफ कोर्स शी विल बी हर्ट, लेकिन इन द लॉन्ग रन ये तुम दोनों के लिए अच्छा है यार।
He's absolutely right है कबीर।
हाँ, पर मैं कमिट कर चुका हूँ यार।
अरे यार, तो हो गई गलती, कोई जेल नहीं भेज देगा यार तुझे।
इतना आसान नहीं है इमरान, हमारे पेरेंट्स इन्वॉल्व हो चुके हैं।
पेरेंट्स? Dude, it's your life.
It's his life.
तुम लोग समझ नहीं पाओगे। Just let it be, okay? I'm sorry.
कबीर, दौड़ रहे हैं। हमें सेकंड रॉकेट के बाद भागना है।
सेकंड रॉकेट के बाद।
They are risking their lives.
सन फरमीन, हमारी रक्षा करना। साले, अगर मैं मर गया ना, तो मेरी भटकती आत्मा तुझे इतना सताएगी
मरने के बारे में क्यों सोच रहा है यार? ये सोच अगर जिंदा रहा तो क्या करें?
Touch wood. They will be fine.
Listen, एक नया पैक्ट. अरे अगर मैं जिंदा रहा तो पैक्ट. या अगर मैं जिंदा रहा तो मैं तुम दोनों को अपनी पोएट्री दिखाऊंगा. तुम दोनों को ही क्यों? I'll just publish it यार. I'll just publish it.
तू पोएट्री लिखता है?
हाँ.
Okay. अगर मैं जिंदा रहा तो ओके अगर मैं जिंदा रहा तो मैं लैला के साथ मोरक्को जाऊंगा.
Yeah.
That's what I'll do. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? मुझे जॉब से
Sounds
निकालना.
good.
Right? Yeah. Who cares, man? I'll be with her and I'll live.
Well done, मेरे शेर.
Yes.
Come on, Kabir.
Okay. Okay. अगर मैं जिंदा रहा तो
You will break up with Natasha. I know.
Kabir, just say it. It's okay, just say it.
अगर मैं जिंदा रहा तो
There's no
मैं
time.
लंदन जाकर नताशा को कहूंगा कि
You will tell her that.
Yeah, just say it. Say it.
Come on, Kabir.
Say it. Say it.
Come on, Kabir.
I'm sorry पर मैं ये शादी नहीं कर सकता.
Corre, que los pilla.
Corre. Run. Corre, corre. Oh boy. Your heart must be beating super fast.
No, shit!
That was so close. That was so close. They're all fine. They're alive. Wolves are still there running. Run, run, run. Now they will run together, one next to the other. Yes, that's what I wanted to see. Oh boy. That's what I was talking about. This frame. Wow. I felt that was a roller coaster of emotions. I felt so many things and I love the story. How it all started with a marriage proposal, or what it seemed to be a marriage proposal, that later on we saw it was all a big misunderstanding, and how they all decided to travel together, these three good friends. And in this wonderful trip we got to know the three characters so well, so deeply. All the things they went through in the past, because we got to know all the problems they had in the past, all the problems they are going through currently, and how they're getting solved in this trip, and how they are learning, and how they are supporting each other throughout all this wonderful journey. We saw how Arjun did not want to go to the trip in the beginning because he was busy with his work. He was very career focused, and they explain why he thinks money is so important. Everything is explained in the story beautifully, and how he is trapped in this mindset that he needs to earn to be happy, that money is all that matters, that he will have a relationship with someone who earns enough just to make him happy. But then he travels, and when he's with his friends, he learns about true freedom, about true happiness, which he had not seen or felt before until he met Lela. Lela was like this representation of freedom, a girl who travels to different countries, who sleeps under the starlight, who loves to swim, who helps him face his fear of ocean, swimming, how he falls in love in that ocean surrounded by those fishes. He falls in love with her. He falls in love with the ocean. He fights against that fear, and he feels so overwhelmed with emotion that he starts crying, and he realizes that this is freedom. And then the girl Lela told him that you should live life, you should not stop unless you're dead. And I think that is so true, and he learned so much in this trip. And then we have Imran, his relationship with his father, Salman. He keeps thinking throughout this journey about his father. Like, at first they introduce his character like he only cares about girls, about dating, about going from girl to girl, you know, like a very playful type of character. And also we get to know about this fight that he had with Arjun over a girlfriend, that you stole my girlfriend. And there is this tension between these two friends that lasts for a long time until he really apologizes to him, which made me very emotional, because so far he was just saying, okay, but I apologized already. I said that I was sorry, but he never really meant it. Until he was really hurt by his father, his own biological father that he had never met. He didn't know about him. The father who had taken care of him had died, and this person was not willing to take him as a son. He didn't want to. He wanted to be an artist. So when he thought, okay, he may be a father figure for me, and he said, I never wanted to be your father in first place, he felt heartbroken. But he also came as a realization that his real father was the person who took care of him and raised him, and that's why he was protected. He did not know about Salman until now, because he never wanted to know anything about him in first place. So that's how he was protected by his parents, you know, by his mother. And it was a very special moment when he realized that. I felt so bad also with his story, and I felt it was very moving, because it's a character that he's always joking around and he's always laughing, and at the end you can see his soft side, how he really care about this, how he really wanted to talk about this, but he couldn't. He was keeping it inside all this time, thinking if he shall go to that museum or not. he keeps thinking about the art, about he will be accepted or not. And I really loved that. I also like the part of Kavir. I also love the part of Kavir because it talks a lot about relationships too, and about if you should compromise your happiness because you already agreed on some marriage, even if it was a misunderstanding, but they were in a relationship. And finally, he bent the knee and he didn't want to embarrass her because everybody thought that they're getting married and all that. So he was ready for it, but at some point throughout this trip, he realizes that probably this is not the person I want to share my life with, and she's not my happiness. She is not the person I love, and she is very jealous. She's very possessive, and I want something else. I want freedom. I didn't fall in love with this person. I thought she was an independent woman, designer, and all that, and now I realize that this is nothing like I thought it would be. Like, the moment she started saying, who is this girl, why she is there, and showing this kind of attitude towards any other women around him, he keeps getting disappointed, and all his friends are like very uncomfortable around her, and he's not himself. He behaves different when he is with his friends because he's himself, he is free. But when he is with her, he's quiet because he is not in the place where he wants to be. He's not with the person he wants to be with. And this love can be seen with Arjun, like this true love, the love in their eyes, the chemistry, the connection, the comfort, all these things can be seen with this other couple. You can see that that was love. They want to be together, they're longing to be together. She is a person who does not want to regret anything and returns to kiss him at some point. And I think this part of adventure and excitement is what makes Arjun fall in love with her eventually. And I really love this story because it's not just about some friends who go out and have fun. And they show Spain in such a nice and beautiful way because they show lots of cultural events. They show Tomatina, they show San Fermin, they show Barcelona, they show the beaches, they show the bars, the restaurants. And apart from all these beautiful things, they also show the importance of facing your fears, like when they are jumping from the aircraft, how they are having fun like teenagers, is pranking and all those things. All those memorable things that they will remember when they are old. They will say, do you remember when we, ended up in jail because we pranked you? And, all those things that made that trip special, that go beyond just sightseeing, but in a much deeper level, they are talking about their emotions and who are they as human beings, and the fears they face and the traumas they face. We saw the previous relationship of Arjun, why it was not working, why he didn't have time for love, how he was not there attending the birthday of the person he was in a relationship because he wanted money, because he wanted to grow, because he felt misunderstood. And you can understand him and you can understand her, and you see the complexity of relationships, and that's something I loved about this movie, apart from the wonderful visuals that this movie has to offer, the beautiful songs. I love the songs. Some are, so catchy, they are for dancing, and some are like romantic and you just want to vibe with them. So this movie has been very beautiful and special for me, and it really felt like a journey. I felt like I'm traveling with them. I enjoyed with them. I suffered with them, and I went through all these emotions. I felt their fears. I felt the tension, the love. I felt everything, and that's why I got emotional. I cried with them, and I love the movie, you guys. I am out of words, and thank you for recommending this movie so much. I would love it if you would recommend other movies, and you know you can watch the movie in Patreon, and just recommend some other movies. I'll watch them. I'll be reading all your comments, and please, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment. I'll be reading you, and bye.